G'day guys, Deb and I are on a mission to turn this humble Aussie home into a coastal Hamptons retreat.
From the kitchen and lounge to the garden and pool, we're in for a complete transformation.
And with a parcel of land this big, imagine the possibilities.
In the outdoor area, there's going to be a fire pit that you can gather around, a cabana for outdoor living and entertaining. The pool's getting a redo. It's going to be completely made over, and we're opening it all up. It'll be that really beautiful Australian indoor-outdoor living that we all love so much. The pool is huge. It's a 16-metre swimming pool.
For me, it's more about the slide that we're going to build to go into the pool. What? We're not doing a slide. So this is it?
This is the entrance, but I feel like it needs to, I don't know, it just feels a little bit disjointed out here, don't you think?
It doesn't feel like this is the entrance.
No.
What the entrance should be. And luxury resort style Hamptons home.
Yep.
Now look at that. We've already got the pool.
This should go. There's another entrance into the pool up there.
Yeah, I don't know if you need two entrances.
We'll extend the deck out to here.
Yep.
And take these out. Resurface that pool. It's very 90s. Fire pit over here. And maybe even a gazebo up this end as well.
I think you'll find it's pronounced gazebo.
A gazebo up that end. And that way you've got a lot of little areas that become little zones. Here's the area for the fire pit.
Yep.
I can imagine something really beautifully rounded off to bring some nice organic shapes into the space.
Yep.
Gazebo down there.
Yep.
Beautiful new pool fencing.
Yep.
And then all along the back here in behind the garden, imagine a tropical lush garden all through here.
We're really just hoping for a complete outdoor transformation where our kids can bring over their friends and we can all sort of hang out in the backyard and swim and have barbecues. I'm really excited to see what they're going to do with the outdoor area.
Andy, we have added a portico out the front here. And what that does is it solves the problem of this home didn't have a dedicated entryway as such. So you come down the driveway, it's a little bit confusing. Where do I go next? This solves that issue, and it's really going to be beautiful once we've lined it and painted it. It's going to make a very grand statement at the front of the home.
You didn't know where to go in. Here, to the side, at the back, this side. I went in through the roof.
Did you? Andy, we're standing in the outdoor space, and what I love that we've done here is we've carried the pitch from the living space out through here to the covered outdoor area. We've got the lining the same as what we've used in the living room. It creates a really cohesive look. It's very coastal. It's really that beautiful indoor-outdoor flow that we love in Australia. It's just Aussie living at its best.
I'm really excited about this space, but I'll tell you one thing they don't need to do. That's clean the pool. I've swam in worse. I've actually drank worse, hun. Honestly. Here.
Andy, don't. You know what happened before.
No, I've got this. It's fine.
Andy, I tried to tell you.
I think it was breakfast. It wasn't the pool.
As you can see, it needs a lot of work, but we've got big plans for this area. It's going to be stunning. For pool and backyard, we reached out to Emma Doman Design to help refine our vision and develop a detailed landscape concept. Emma is an experienced landscape architect who works specifically with residential clients, delivering tailored transformations of their space. We worked closely with Emma to develop a beautiful materials palette that paired perfectly with the interior selection. There's challenges in this space. The property itself is absolutely massive. It's huge, and the pool is just a little bit like an overgrown swamp. That's going to be a challenge. We are really excited to be back here, and we're finally going to see the entire house completed, the exterior, interior, all done.
So exciting, and it's been a long journey.
We recreated the entranceway, so when you come to the front, you can now see where to go into the property.
This is what dreams are made of. Oh, look at this.
Look at that pool. Do you remember how old it was? Yeah, there's a beautiful flow from the inside to the outside now, and everything connects. All the spaces work really well together. My favourite thing about the outdoor area are these massive 6-metre doors from G. James. They opened up the space and they add that seamless flow between the indoors and outdoors. We added the vent air heaters so that the family can sit outside, be around the table and entertain outdoors all year round. I love the colour of this with the stone and that.
This is kind of party central. I love this area because
I love it too.
It feels like it has a vibe of togetherness as well. Check out this little handball space. I love it.
Look at the pool. How good is this? We used the beautiful rock salt in Danish smoke from Beaumont tiles, this beautiful tile all the way around the patio. It wraps all the way around to the fireplace, and it actually pulls all the beautiful warm tones from the house in together. I love how all the big palm trees have been saved and kept.
It's hard not to make this area look good.
It's beautiful. Another little seating area here. It's just another little zone for relaxing, chilling, having a drink.
Oh, amazing.
And the palm trees cut into the deck there.
I'm not going anywhere.
Just going to stay here.
I'm just going to stay here.
I'm literally at a loss for words. It's so much more than I was expecting. I can't even explain how happy we all are.
That's house 1 completed, but stay tuned as we're moving on to house 2 and it's incredible.
Hey babe, I reckon this is drinkable now.
Go for it. Better?